All right, well, let's keep reeling. You all right? Don't let him pull you in.
He's not. I've been working out lately.
Oh, good. Oh, it's something.
It looks like a stingray to me.
Oh, no, another stingray? Well, it can't be the same one.
That's not a stingray. That's not a stingray. Yep. Yep.
Keep pulling him in.
What is this, a baby whale?
I don't know. He's a strong one, and that's our strongest rod, too. You're doing great.
He's got to break. Come on, big boy. Come on. Come on. I don't know what to do. Can't get it.
You get him close.
Clear. Stingray.
Oh, stingray. Oh, man.
He's a Fiesty Frosty, too.
Here, pull him on the beach.
I am.
Reel some more.
Oh, yeah. Got a nice big boy. I've literally had it in between my legs. It's so hard.
No, he's a monster.
Can't back up anymore.
All right, let's see if I can take two of us to get him in.
Don't let him hit you. Don't let him hit you. Don't let him hit you, bro. I don't want you getting hit.
Oh, my goodness.
On
All
the
right.
side of him.
He is not happy.
No.
Okay.
How do we get him off?